Hello, good morning students. Nice to see you again back for the class. Yesterday we have seen the glossary, idioms and answer the following. Now today we will go further on this video. Answer the following in 5-6 sentences each. Read the extract from the lesson and answer the questions. The following. Match the following, fill in the blanks with the suitable idioms. Okay, and we have seen that in the second one, we have seen the idioms. Given in the box, make the necessary changes. Okay, let me read the first question. Answer the following in 5 or 6 sentences each. In what ways does Akash help Nakul? In many ways, Akash helps Nakul whenever he depressed with his performance. Full stop. He used to encourage and also suggest that how one could face problems in life. Full stop. He was always with a cheerful and helping others. Full stop. He helped Nakul in learning, while dialogue, saying, and also encouraged in drama and sports. Second question. Was Nakul's changed attitude towards life worthy of appreciation? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Yes, certainly Nakul's changed attitudes towards life. Full stop. Nakul's apostrophe S makes somewhat appreciation in his life. He learnt everything from Akash. By that, he was able to come out of his negative attitude by doing so, comma, he can able to lead a good positive attitude in his life. Next, read the extracts from the lesson and answer the questions that follows. How? It is easy to say that as you don't have to worry. Who said these words? Answer. Nakul said these words. Second in that. Why did he say so? Question mark. When he consoled Nakul, said by Akash, I have made a terrible mistake. Second, in that first, who is the speaker? Nakul is the speaker. What was the mistake made by him? The mistake which was made by him was that he has not written his roll number and name on his answer sheet. Third one, why do you always look at the dark side of things? Who is the speaker? Akash is the speaker. What do you mean by the dark side of things? That is negative attitude of life. Fourth one, why did the in that third one, why did the speaker say so? The speaker said so because Nakul always had a negative attitude towards everything. Fourth one, I admire you despite your handicap. You are always cheerful. Question A, who said these words and who is referring to? These words are said by Nakul and it refers to Akash. Why does the speaker admire him? The speaker admired him because, even though Akash was a lame boy, he was with a positive attitude and with cheerful in life. The next comes the sixth one. Match the following. I'll read one by one and you just make an answer. Okay, it is there in your book and in your fair you make it as I read it. Match the idioms given in the column A with their meaning column B. A. In the good book of. Answer is in favor with. B. To lose one's head. Answer is to lose the power of thinking. C. At the stone's thrown. Answer is at a distance. D. To add fuel to the matter. Answer is to worsen the matter. E. To sell like hotcakes. Answer. To have a very good sale. F. To bell the cat. To lead in a risky step. Or to take a lead in a risky step. G. To take by surprise. To catch suddenly. H. Through and through. Answer. Completely. I. At a one's length. At a short distance. J. By heart. To memorize. The next comes as the filling the blanks with the suitable idioms given in the box. Make the necessary changes. I hope that you have understood what is the idioms, I suppose. Okay, in the short sentences you give a lot of meaning for that. Exactly like it is like a Gade Matus, like more or less. ಉರಿಯು ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ಸಿಮೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ಜಗಳ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕವಳಿರುವಂತ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಉರಿಯೋ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ಸಿಮೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಚ್ಚೋದ್ರು ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಗಾಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕದಂಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ worsen the matter, that is adding fuel to the matter, is like this, worsening the matter. Okay, this one completely like this. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಐತೆ ಒಂದು ಕೈ ಮಳ, it is very near, so it is to say one kai mala is this much only, so like this saying the words. Okay. B. Fill in the blanks with the suitable idioms given in the box to make the necessary changes. I will read and you answer yourself. Write in your notes. First one. If you join a club, you have to dash its rule. Answer. Abide. A-B-I-D-E. Abide by its rules. A-B-I-D-E. Abide by. B-Y. Second, the youngest son was the dash the mother's eye. Answer. Apples, apostrophe S, A-P-P-L-E-S, apostrophe S, of one's, O-N-E, apostrophe S, I, E-I-E, apples of one's eye. It means he is very close to his mother, it is dear to his mother, youngest son. Third one, he had promised to help me, but dash at the last moment. Momentum or moment is the same. Momentum. Moment. He had promised to help me, but back out at the last momentum. B-A-C-K. Back. O-U-T out. Back out. Fourth. The servants dash the master's order. Answer. The master carry out the master's order. C-A-R-R-Y-O-U-T. Carry out master's order. Fill in the blanks. Fifth. While reading the life history of reptiles, I dash a very important details about their food habits. You know what is the reptiles? Reptiles is the creatures which goes on the ground, on the stomach. Snake, lizards, all these are reptiles. Okay. While reading the life history of reptiles, I come across C-O-M-E-A-C-R-O-S-S, across very important details about their food habits. Sixth one, an honest man never hesitant to dash. Call a spade. Call a spade a spade. Okay. CALL. Call a SPADE spade. Sixth one. A man of action never dash. A man of action never give up. GIVE. You up, give up. 8. Thank God, he succeeded in dash of his bad habits. Thank God, he succeeded in get rid of. GET get. RID rid. Of his bad habits. 9. Don't dash your efforts. Don't cry over split, sorry, it's a spelling mistake, over split. Spelling CRY cry, OVERSPLIT over split. Milk MILK your efforts. 10th one, thanks to the excellent medical treatment, he dashed his illness. Answer, thanks to the excellent medical treatment, he pulled through his illness. PULLTHROUGH, pull through treatment. And with this we have finished the full lesson of this. See you for the next video, for the next lesson. See you soon.